Welcome back, everybody. So listen here. So the bar graph shows the production of table fans in a factory during 1 week. I hope you know all about the table fans, right? So the first one, you look at over here. So what is the main thing is given from Monday, Tuesday, and afterwards it shows about Wednesday and everything. Is it right? Okay. So 1 second, just wait. Okay. So now listen here. The average production of table fans on Friday as well as Saturday, and how far, in what way, or in what difference it exceeds. Because usually you know that Friday and Saturday is will be end of the week, etc. So that there will be more number of production when compared to the previous week usually. Okay, so how much they are exceeding in terms of the average is asking. That means what? Only you take for Friday and Saturday average, and you take for the remaining days also. That includes Friday and Saturday also as an average. Okay. So how much the Friday and Saturday exceeds the average? Average means what? Per week, if you take average, you will get one value. And that value should be lesser than that of Friday and Saturday itself. That value should be the average of Friday and Saturday value itself. Okay, so first of all, don't get panic. You take about the Friday and Saturday. What about the Friday? So if you take the Friday, how much you are getting a production is about 300. Is it right? And you take about the Saturday how much you get it, and it's about 450. So totally, if you take means what, you will get 750. Okay, 750 divided by 2 is an average. Is it right? Two things are available, so divide by 2 is equal to 375. Okay, and you take off all the days. Okay, so you just take Monday 240, and afterwards the Tuesday is about 510 number of table chairs are available, and Wednesday is about 390, and Thursday is about 150, and Friday is about 300, and Saturday is about 450. When you add all these things, you know that it will be 0, 514, 19, 524, and 2, 25, 9, 3, 12, and 13, 13 plus 7, 20. So 2040 will be available. Totally have the 6 days. So if you go for 6, and you will get 3, 6 are 18, you minus 2, 4, 6 are 24, 340. So what it means? So both Friday and Saturday. Okay, how far it exceeds by Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Is it right? So you take the value of Friday and that means average value of Friday and Saturday. It's 375. And now it is surely greater than 340. Is it right? How far it's exceeding? You just make a minus 375 minus 340. So that's about 35. Is it right? So blink your eyes and look at the 35 and tick mark the answer. That's the answer. I hope everybody would understand very clearly. Okay. If anything means, you just ask me in the comment box. Thank you all.